Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I am going to be sharing a recipe that I have made from the Magnolia Table cookbook. And this is just basically another video to try to convince you guys to get this because I'm so obsessed with it. This is Joanna Gaines's jalapeno drip jam. And when I first was reading through this cookbook, because I'm one of those weirdos who actually reads cookbooks, I didn't quite understand what drip jam was. I made this just to see what all the fuss was about. It sounded really good. And she actually has two drip jams. She has the bacon tomato sweet drip jam and the jalapeno drip jam. And I made the jalapeno one because I had the ingredients on hand, and it actually turned out to be so phenomenally excellent with burgers that now we won't make burgers without it. It's just really good. I will leave an Amazon link for this cookbook so you can get it wherever you're at, or you can get it at Target. They have a special edition at Target, which is really cool. They have a couple of extra recipes, so it might be worth picking up there. If you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing and I'll just show you how good it is and how much we like it and how much we love this.
So this is really easy. The first step is to dice up a small medium onion and then melt half a stick of butter and then cook the onion in the butter. You don't really want to caramelize it. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can and this would still work very well, but she just wanted them very softened. And then add a half of a cup of jalapenos, a half of a cup of brown sugar, and then stone ground mustard, 2 tablespoons of that. And then basically all that you're gonna do is combine this all together so that it's all kind of caramely spiciness, and then you're going to cook it down for about 20 minutes and let it bubble, because then it'll get nice and thick afterwards and become more of like a jam consistency. And this makes about 1.5 cups of this jam. And because I didn't dice my jalapenos as much as I wanted them, I decided to go ahead and get my immersion blender and just blend this all up to make it really smooth and thick and just make it easier really to serve without getting bites of jalapeno. But this is it, and that's what it looks like when it's all done.
Alrighty, so I've let this cool a little bit. I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. So thick. Do you see how thick this is? And I think I used pretty spicy jalapenos this time, so let's see. It's still pretty warm. Ooh, hot. Ooh. It's spicy. The first time I made this, I used some tamed jalapenos and there was no spice to it at all. It just had a lot of jalapeno flavor with really, really sweet, mustardy kind of flavors. We wanted that spice. I used some real jalapenos this time. This is a little bit too spicy for me, but I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to spicy things. But the good news is that you don't need a lot at all. This is really spicy sweet, but the way that the flavor goes through is you get the immediate like caramelized brown sugar flavor, and then it like slowly gets to the heat of the jalapenos, and then the heat just stays there. This is really a unique thing, in my opinion, to add to a burger. Process was, it's easy, pretty much ingredients that I usually always have on hand. For a rating, I would rate this 9 out of 10. I think it's just like, it's so good, but I give it a 9 only because I screwed up for me and added too much jalapenos. Like last time I could give it to my kids. This time they couldn't have it because it's just gonna be too hot for them. Like I could still feel the heat of the jalapeno from that little tiny taste like all the way down my throat and in my belly. But this is good. If you like spicy, you will absolutely love this. I hope you guys give it a shot. If you do, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here. And I will see you guys with my next video.